1. Indian history. 1. Harappan Indus civilization 2500 BC to 1750 BC. The Harappan civilization was discovered in the year 1921. Lothal is a site where dockyard of which of the following civilization were found? Indus Valley. The people of the Indus Valley civilization usually built their houses of pakka bricks. The Indus Valley people traded with the Mesopotamians. The Indus Valley civilization was non-Aryan because it was urban. All the following statements regarding the Indus Valley civilization are correct except it is difficult to say to which race the people belonged. The people knew nothing about agriculture. The local name Mohenjo-daro is Mound of the Dead. The Indus Valley civilization specialized in town planning. The famous figure of a dancing girl found in the excavation of Mohenjo-daro was made up of bronze. Which of the following animals was not known to the Indus Valley civilization? Giraffe. Out of the following remains excavated in Indus Valley, which one indicates the commercial and economic development? Seals. The earliest city discovered in India was Harappa. Which one of the following Indus civilization site gives evidence of a dockyard? Lothal. Which one of the following statements regarding Harappan civilization is correct? The inhabitant of Harappa grew and used cotton. An advanced water management system of Harappan times has been unearthed at Dholavira. From which one of the following places remains of wells have been found in houses belonging to the developed stage of the Indus Valley civilization? Mohenjo-daro. The archaeological find from Alamgirpur in Ghaziabad district reflected the Vedic culture. Cotton for textile was first cultivated in India. Rock-cut architecture in Harappan culture context has been found at Dholavira. Consider the following statement and select the correct answer from the codes given below. Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, Ropar and Kalibangan are important places of Indus Valley civilization. Harappan people developed planned cities with network of street and drainage system. Which one of the following was not known to the Harappans? Construction of arches. A copper chariot of Harappa times was discovered at Daimabad. One of the following sites from where the famous bull seal of Indus Valley civilization was found? Harappa. Who discovered the Indus Valley civilization? Dayaram Sahni. Which one of the following animals was not represented on the seals and terracotta art of the Harappan culture? Cow. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below the list. List 1, list 2. Lothal Dockyard, Kalibangan Plugged Field, Dholavira, an inscription comprising 10 large size sign of the Harappan script, Banavali, terracotta replica of the plough. Vedic culture 1500 BC to 600 BC. Who was the first European to designate Aryan as a race? Max Muller. The staple food of the Vedic Aryan was milk and its product. The Battle of Mahabharata is believed to have been fought at Kurukshetra for 18 days. Which one of the following stages of the life of man in Aryan society in ascending order of age is correct? Brahmacharya, Grihasth, Vanprasth, Sannyas. Who among the following wrote Sanskrit grammar? Panini. Which river has no mention in Rig Veda? Periyar. Assertion A. The development of a high stage of abstract thinking is a marked feature of early Vedic literature. Reason are cosmic mystery of creation and records of philosophical doubts about it are a part of the many Vedic hymns. A is true but R is false. Which of the following is the major impact of Vedic culture on Indian history? Rigidification of caste system. In which language was the Srimad Bhagavad Gita originally written? Sanskrit. Puras Sukt is found in Rigved. The hymns of Rigved are the work of many authors. The government of India had decided to declare which of the following rivers as national river? Ganga. Patanjali is well known for the compilation of Yoga Sutra. The god who is the most prominent in Rigved is Indra. The Rigvedic god Varuna was guardian of the cosmic order. Nivi, Paridhan and Adivasa were the different types of garments of the Aryans. Panini, the first grammarian of Sanskrit language in India, lived during the 6th to 5th century BC. The word Satyamev Jayate in the state emblem of India has been adopted from which one of the following? Manduk Upanishad. Upanishads are books on philosophy. The ex-founder of yoga philosophy was Patanjali. The great law-giver of ancient time was Manu. The word Gotra occurs for the first time in Rig Veda. Which one of the following is the distinguished feature between a Nastika and Astika system in India? Belief in the existence of God. Nyaya Darshan was propagated by Gautam. Ashtadhyayi was written by Panini. The literal meaning of the word Arya is superior. The Manu Smriti mainly deals with laws. Purush Medha, that is male sacrifice, is referred to in Satyapat Brahman. Who composed the Gayatri Mantra? Vishwamitra. Author of Nyaya Sutra was Gautam. The word Aryan means of good family. Which one of the following four Vedas contain an account of magical charms and spells? Athar Veda. The religion of early Vedic Aryans was primarily of worship of nature and yajnas. Answer of 7 is A. 3.1 Mahajanpat period 600 BC to 325 BC. The Indian king who opposed Alexander was Porus. The ancient name of North Bihar was Vajji. In ancient India, the earliest capital of Magad kingdom was at Rajgir. When Alexander invaded India, who were the rulers of Magad? Nandas. Which one of the following rulers of Magad was the contemporary of Alexander the Great? Dhananand. Where was the seat of the first republic of the world in 6th century BC? Vaisali. By which ruler Patliputra was chosen for the first time as a capital? Udyayin. The list of 16 Mahajanpads is available in Angutar Nikaya. Which was the first capital of Magad? Girivaj Rajgriha. Who founded Patliputra? Udyain. By whom the first republic of the world was established in Vaisali? Lichvi. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the codes given codes. Pradyot, Avanti, Udyain, Vas, Prasenjit, Magad, Ajatshatu, Kaushal. Which early ruler of Magad murdered his father to ascend the throne and in turn was murdered by his own son, Ajatshatu? Arrange the following Magadhan dynasties in the chronological order: Haryans, Nandas, Mauryas, Sungs. Mahajanpat situated on the bank of river Godavari was Askat. Who was the founder of Nanda dynasty? Mahapadmanand. Which one of the following dynasties was ruling over North India at the time of Alexander's invasion? Nanda. Who among the following was not a contemporary of others there? Milinda. Between which of the following was the ancient town of Takshashila located? Indus and Jhelum. 3.2 Religious movement 600 BC to 400 BC. Where did Lord Buddha breathe his last Mahaparinirvan? Kushinagar. Where has the world's largest monolithic statue of Buddha been installed? Bamiyan. Which among the following is the sacred book of the Buddhist Tripitaks? Buddha means the enlightened one. Name the clan Buddha belonged to. Sakya. In which state was the Nalanda University located in India? Bihar. Mahavir was born in 6th century BC at Vaishali. The religious literature of the Jains at the early stage was written in Ardh Which of the following places is associated with Jainism? Pava. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below the list. List 1 term, list 2 meaning explanation. Abhidhamma Pitak. Matters of psychology and metaphysics. Sutta Pitak. Matter of doctrine and ethics. Vinay Pitak. Rules of monk order. Mahasangika. Members of great community. Who was the author of Buddha Charit? Ashwaghosh. Who is also known as Nigant Nath Putra. Vardhaman Mahavir. The principle that distinguishes Jainism from Buddhism is the attribution of a soul to all beings and things. Buddha lived approximately at the same time as Confucius. Buddha's preaching were mainly related to purity of thought and conduct. The third vehicle in Buddhism was known as Vajrayana. Which state is called the cradle of Buddhism? Uttar Pradesh. Who of the following was a contemporary of Gautam Buddha? Vardhaman Mahavir. Gandhar School of Art came into existence in Mahayana sect. Consider the following places. In the context of the life of Buddha, the correct chronological sequence of these places is Lumbini, Bodh Gaya, Sarnath, Kushinagar. With reference to Indian literary works, what is Digha Nikaya? An important Buddhist text in Pali. Consider the following statement. Which of these statements is or are correct? Jain religious literature was written in Ardh Mahavir admitted women into the order of his followers. Which one of the following is not included in the Eightfold Path of Buddhism? Right desire. Where did Gautam Buddha delivered his first sermon known as Dharma Chakra Pravartan, that is turning of the wheel of the law? Sarnath. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below the list. List 1 events related to Buddha. List 2 places. Birth of Buddha Lumbini. Enlightenment Bodh Gaya. First sermon Sarnath. Death of Buddha Kushinagar. Assertion A. The merchant called Sethi made handsome gift to Mahavir and his disciples. Reason are Mahavir and his disciples preached non-violence, which put an end to wars and promote trade and commerce. Consider the following. Which one of the above is are branches of Buddhist literature? Pitaka Jatka. Who among the following taught the doctrine of Sunyavad? Nagarjun. Who of the following kings was an ardent follower of Jainism? Kharavela. Among the following, who is given the credit of carrying Jainism in South India? Bhadrabahu. In Buddhism, what does Patimoksha stand for? The rules of the Sangha. Which one of the following is not common in Buddhism and Jainism? Non-violence, ahimsa. The first Buddhist council was held in which of the following cities? Rajgir. Mahavir Jain breathed his last at Pawapuri. Gautam Buddha was elevated to the position of God by the time of Kanishk. Mahabodhi temple has been built at Bodh Gaya where Gautam Buddha attained enlightenment. Chinese traveler Huang Shang studied at the University of Nalanda. Where was the third Buddhist council held? Patliputra. Where was Mahavir Swami born? Kundalgram. Which of the following places is considered a Jain Siddha Kshetra on account of its association with Parashnath? Samed Shikhar. Buddha was born at Lumbini. Consider the following statement and select the difference between a Chet and a Vihara. Chet is a place of worship where Vihara is a living place for Buddhist saints. Consider the following statement and select the correct answer from the codes given below. Azarjan A. Kushinagar was the capital of Malla Republic. Reason R. Mahatma Buddha got Mahaparinirvan at Kushinagar. Both A and R are true, but R is not a correct explanation of A. The doctrine of three jewels, right belief, right conduct, and right knowledge, is the crowning glory of Jainism. The Vikramshila Mahavihara, a great center of education, was founded by Dharmapal. The Lumbini was the birthplace of Buddha, is attested by an inscription of Ashok. Sarnath is in the state of UP. Vikramshila Mahavihara was established by the ruler of Pala dynasty. Buddha attended Mahaparinirvan in the Republic of the Mallas. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the codes given below the list. List 1 symbols, list 2 meaning. Bodhi tree, enlightenment. Dharma chakra, first sermon. Horse, renunciation. Lotus, birth. Consider according to Buddhism, there is no rebirth. Reason are there is no soul. Now select your answer from the following quotes. Which one of the following propounded that destiny determines everything? Man is powerless. Ajivakas. Ajivaks. Lord Buddha preached the following four noble truths. Put them in correct order using the codes given below. There is suffering. There is cause of suffering. There is cessation of suffering. There is a path leading to the cessation of suffering. Who among the following is known as the light of Asia? Lord Buddha. Shadvad, the theory of maybe, is a doctrine of Jainism. The stoop site, which is not connected with any incident of Lord Buddha's life, is Sachi. Prabhasgiri is a pilgrim spot of Jains, who is said to have become the chief of the Jain Sangh after the death of Mahavir. Sudharma. Jivak, the royal physician of Rajgir, was the son of the Ganik named as Salavati. The fourth Buddhist council was convened during the reign of King Kanishk. The Tripitaka was written in Pali. Name the last Tirthankar, Mahavir. Assertion A. The emphasis of Jainism on non-violence ahimsa prevented agriculturists from embracing Jainism. Reason R. Cultivation involved killing of insects and pests. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Who among the following presided over the Buddhist council held during the reign of Kanishk at Kashmir? Vasumitra. In ancient Indian Buddhist monasteries, a ceremony called Pavarana used to be held. It was the confession by monks of their offences committed during their stay in the monastery during the rainy season. Consider the following statement. Vardhaman Mahavir mother was the daughter of Lichvi chief Chetak. Gautam Buddha mother was a princess from the Kolya dynasty. Parashvanath, the 23rd Tirthankar, belonged to Banaras. These statements are correct. With reference to ancient Jainism, which one of the following statement is correct? Jainism enjoyed the patronage of the Kalinga king Kharavela in the 1st century BC. Consider the following statement. Which of the following statements given above are correct? The Pala rulers of eastern India were patrons of Buddhism. Anekantavad is a core theory and philosophy of which one of the following? Jainism. Mahamastak Abhishek, a great religious event, is associated with and done for who of the following? Bahubali. Why did Buddhism start declining in India? Buddha was by that time considered as one of the incarnations of Vishnu and thus became a part of Vaishnavism. Lord Buddha's image is sometimes shown with the hand gesture called Bhumis Parsha Mudra. It symbolizes Buddha calling of the earth to watch over Mara and to prevent Mara from disturbing his meditation. Buddha's answer is Buddha's calling of the earth to witness his purity and chastity despite the temptation of Mara. Both these statements are correct in the context.